Okay, so today in this video we'll learn how to make like these type of switch page, like switch registration and login page within few steps. Okay, so if you don't see our last two video like login page and registration page, so click on this I button, then you will see the two videos. So first check this video and then you will understand that how to like create like this type of like page. Okay, so now I just go to our admin panel, and here as we can see the page here on, and click on add new, create a new page. I already created a new page like T3 like this type of name, and here we need to add a new thing. So go to the PointNet add-ons and click on here. Then here as you can see enable all and click on save setting. Okay, enable all this add-on. We are using a pro version and a free version, okay, both of. So today we are in this video we'll using like Swiss content this add-on. Okay, so I just click on edit with elements button. And one thing, when you create a new page, you need to create some setting. Okay, if you don't know how to set up this setting, so I'll see. Okay, here as you can see this main, just click on this main, and here content layout, select this full width, and here the title, disable this, then click on published, then you will see like this. Okay, now I am editing this page in Elementor, that's why it's looking now. So I just delete this. So first I just go to our login page, and here edit with Elementor button, I just open a new tab because I don't want to create a long video, so that's why I just create some using shortcut. And okay, so here as you can see I just click on this section, and here as you can see this save as template, just input a name, just input 111 and click on save. And when it's saved done, then again go to your T3, like recently I created a new page, just reload this and click on this box button like add template, and here my template option, find out here recent save template. So here as you can see 111, recently I saved this section. Click on this insert button and click on no. Wow, it's come. So we need to change this monkey. Just first click on here and select another JSON file. Its name like registration animation. I just insert this in here. I just click on this registration, insert media, then you'll see the changes. And here we need to change this title because I don't want to show in only login into your account, because I want to show in both. Okay, so just copy here, welcome back. So click on this and change this, and here I don't want to show welcome back because the welcome, please log in or create a new create your account. Okay, so and click on this update button, and we don't need any kind of email and this here, so I just delete here all field delete. When you delete complete, then find out here like Parfait Swiss content. So if you here as you can see this Parfait free widgets here, Parfait Swiss content, this is free add-on. So drag and drop here, then you'll see the two section basically here and left right. So here first section input the login, and second section login input register. Then you'll see the changes. So if you want to change any color, you can change here like style. Click on this style, then you'll see this option, color change option here. So I don't want to change anything else here, so I just click on this update button, and here as you can see we need to create some shortcode like Elementor shortcode, like our login page shortcode and our register page shortcode. But if you see here it's a very big section, so we need to reduce this. So I just go to this our login page first and create a new section, plus icon, create a new section. And here as you can see this column, just copy this and paste on here, and delete one empty column. So I delete here, and we don't need any kind of title here, so just delete this title. We don't need any kind of border here, just Okay, so click on this edit column button and click on this style button, and here find out the border, and I just remove this box shadow. Then you'll see the changes, and I remove the registration button here. So I want to input like one login, change this submit text to login. Then you'll see the changes and save these templates. Just click on there and save template. Okay, update and save just template, save this and save template. Input one name here, so I just input like lo1 because this is our login form. Click on this save button and go to our switch page, and okay, so we need to go to our admin panel. Okay, admin panel, and here find out this template button. Just click on template button. Then you'll see the recent lo1 this here. As you can see the shortcode, just copy the shortcode and go to your like switch page and section 1, paste this. Then you'll see the changes. Okay, and we need to add registration page shortcode. Okay, that's why I just go to registration page and edit with elements. So here delete this section because you don't need this section. This is our login form, so I just delete this and click on this update, and it's done. Okay, and go to your like registration form and click on this plus icon and create on a new section, and copy this like this column and paste here. I just paste on here, there you can see, paste. And we need to delete this empty column because we don't need here any kind of double column. Okay, so and we don't need any kind of border box shadow, so I just click on this column and click on style, find out border and remove this box shadow. And we don't need any kind of title here, just delete this. We don't need any kind of login button here, just delete this, and register button, and click on this section, and here save template and input your name. I just input lo2 and save. Then you'll see the template are saved. When it's saved, then go to your admin panel and search here, like here template, search here, reload here, and then you'll see like this, and click on this shortcode. I just copy this shortcode and go to my registrations, like login and registration switch, and click on here. Then select the section 2 and paste the shortcode and click on this update button. Okay, I just go to my website, and if I reload my website, then you will see the changes. Wow, it's changed. You can see the changes. So next time, if you want to if you want to change anything else here, so you cannot change in your login page or registration page. You cannot edit anything else here like this login page. So you need to go to your save template page, and here this is our login form. So I just click on this edit with elements button and open a new tab. So I just click on this login button, and if I change login 11 and click on update, when update done, go to your login and registration switch page and reload your website. Then you'll see the changes. If I go to our login page and if I change anything else here, you cannot see the changes. Okay, so that's it's very important. So I think you understand that how to change like login form or registration form, or how to set up this in switch page. So if you understand that, so click on the like button, and if you're new here in my channel, so please subscribe.